Today we will open this big ass door. So here we have it. Today's door. It's more than half of the calendar's width. Not the whole calendar, of course, but let's open it. Let's see. Small plastic. Ah. I am in dire need of this. So, this is what we got today. More storage. And that's just what I need. Here we have the sides. With the slots again. I don't know why they look like this, but you just push it like that. Cool. More room. More stuff. Just what I need. I don't have any more room on the old one. Or I do have room, but I don't know what's like. There's no names or tags or anything, so I don't know what goes where. Actually, but cool. Now we can start filling this one also. I'll put one of those there. I don't think this has... yeah, maybe something like that. So, that was today's door. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.